In this video, I'm going to show you how to check impressions on your posts, retweets, and videos on X, so let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Tap on your profile picture and go to your profile page. Now scroll through your posts and open the post you want to check. Once the post is open, look for the small analytics or graph icon at the bottom of the post and tap on it. Here, you will be able to see the total impressions, which shows how many times your post has been viewed. You can also view engagement details like interactions and activity for that specific post. Keep in mind, you can only see analytics for your own posts. You won't be able to view impression data for posts that belong to other users, even if you retweet or embed them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to check impressions on X. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials.